This is the latest video in the Ruckus series. Right here we've got a set of Atom Lab General Issue chromoly bars that we're going to be putting on the Ruckus. But one thing that I wanted to basically take care of as well, since I was lowering the handlebars, is get rid of the factory mirrors that mount to the throttle controls on the Ruckus, because they're pretty high up there and they look kind of funny if you're going to be running a lowered bar setup. And I wanted something a little bit more sleek and basically nicer looking, but yet still functional and not taking away the aspect of having mirrors. So what I found were these right here. These are bar end mirrors, and they're priced really, really, really well. They were only $15 shipped for them for the pair. And construction of them, obviously they're mass-produced units, but it's got it's all cast aluminum and everything. But the fit and finish on them is actually pretty nice. All Allen head bolts. You'd kind of expect that they might cheap out and put some Phillips heads or something to that effect. Or normal hex head bolts to hold them together. But everything's Allen head bolt. And basically the way that they work is just like any other bar end. So you've got a little ferrule here that threads in. As soon as you start screwing this end in here, it pulls this guy inwards and it expands this out. And then this sleeve obviously goes here too, and that's what expands out to match up with the 7/8 inch diameter on the inside. So installation is fairly simple. I'm doing it with one hand here. They go in this way. You start tightening this Allen head bolt down there, and for the most part, just tighten them till they're where you want them. And then this actually has a ball joint, which is kind of nice. So you can kind of see how it's set up there. You can move this around manually, this portion, to adjust them, once needed. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If you look on eBay for just bar end mirrors, you'll find these come right up. And another thing that I was looking at that is most likely possible, if you didn't want to mount them in the end, if you have another use for that, it looks like if you take these two Allen head bolts out, the diameter of this fitting in here that holds this setup, it looks like it'll fit right over the 7/8, and you could actually clamp it to the end right here too, which some styles are. They don't have this piece, but these came with, a way to mount them in two different fashions, so it's all up to you. But hopefully this helps you guys out, and talk to you soon.